Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to add and switch accounts on the Telegram app for iPhone. Let's get started. First thing, tap on the Telegram app icon on your home screen and open the app. Now, long press on the settings icon on the bottom right corner. Then click on the add account option. Tap on it to begin adding a new Telegram account to your device. Telegram will ask you to enter the phone number associated with the account you want to add. Type in the phone number and tap next to proceed. After entering the phone number, Telegram will send a verification code to be provided phone number via SMS. Enter the code in the app to verify. Once verified, Telegram will guide you through the setup process for the new account. Now, as you have added new account in the Telegram, to switch two of your accounts, you need to simply go back to the menu and click on the settings icon again, and this time two of your accounts will be visible here, the one you have recently made and one you are using since long time. To switch between multiple accounts in Telegram, just tap on the profile icon and you will be switched to your preferenced account. And that is it. You have successfully added and switched between accounts on the Telegram app on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful to you. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.